So Jose Villablanca here, and I'm going to give you a tip on how to work your core. Remember, synonyms of core is center, the foundation, nucleus, I guess. We'll look it up, Google it. And remember, there are 3 planes of motion: sagittal, transverse, and frontal. So again, sagittal is what most people do, so planks, crunches, leg lifts. But we also have the frontal plane, which is like dumbbell lift, or the side planks really, or side crunches. And we have the transverse plane, which are rotational wood chopping exercises. That way you work your whole core, which is a short for like corset, right? The whole thing.